Here at Oriflame, because we're from Sweden, we have a different view on beauty. We believe beauty is not just about how you look, it's about how you live, act and feel. And that's Beauty by Sweden. My name is Dr. Cormac Byrne. I'm the Head of Research and Development for Wellness by Oriflame. Here in R&D we have 4 locations. We're present in Stockholm, in Shanghai, in Singapore, and here in Dublin, Ireland, where our Global R&D Centre is located. Today we're going to take you on a journey through the Global R&D Centre, where the Wellness by Oriflame products are created. You'll meet our nutritionists, our food scientists, our dietitians, our regulatory affairs specialists, and our sustainability scientists, and see what they do on a daily basis creating these nutritional products. More and more science is telling us that beauty is not just about the outside in, but also about from the inside out. And that's why wellness is so important to Oriflame. So now, let's take a journey through R&D.
There are many things that influence your total beauty. Who you are, where you live in the world, and how you live your life. The Oriflame Holistic Beauty Wheel was created as a tool to explore 10 major influential factors within 3 categories: biological, environmental, and lifestyle, all of which impact your total beauty on the inside and out. From these scientific insights, we can clearly see that the idea of wellness not only encompasses nutrition, but it also includes emotions, sleep, exercise, and more. Here in R&D, our main goal is to create the best wellness products for you, to support you on your holistic beauty journey, that are rooted in evidence-based research and inspired by the principles of the Nordic diet.
Hello, my name is Manuel and I am Principal Scientist for Nutritional Products. My job is to design our wellness formulations in line with our product development philosophy. This is how Beauty by Sweden comes to life. We use the Swedish balance approach in product development that focuses on 3 key areas. We want all our products to be performing, safe and responsible. Performing means that the product must work. We want each and every customer to have a product that performs exactly as they expect. Being safe is such a major part of how Oriflame has always developed its products. It is very important for me to see such a commitment in product safety during the development. Finally, being responsible in Oriflame means that we consider how the planet and people are affected by the products we develop and manufacture. We always want to have the best performing products, but with the least impact.
I started my journey with Oriflame after the decision to relocate from Brazil to Ireland with my family after having my first child. It was a big change for us, but I was delighted that I could continue to do what I loved in a new country and can develop quality formulas that help people become the healthiest versions of themselves.
Knowing that our products work is fundamental to what we do. And within the product development philosophy, this is what performing stands for. Even before we begin to develop a product, we need to know first that it's going to do what we want it to do. As nutritionists and dietitians, a core part of our role is to provide evidence-based guidance and advice to people on all aspects of their nutrition. Today, everybody has an opinion, and due to the rate of speed at which information is shared online, unfortunately, this means that misinformation is easily shared. So now more than ever, people need to know voices that they can trust. People want peace of mind and they need to know the sources to go to.
I couldn't agree more. And you, Caroline, have years of experience in the nutrition industry.
Yeah, I've over 10 years experience now within the nutrition industry and working within different areas such as sports nutrition, weight loss, children, healthy agers and more. And even before I was a nutritionist, I've always been curious about the role of diet in our bodies. And it's really amazing to understand how our food choices can impact our holistic health so much. Sophie, you joined us this year. Is there any particular reason why you chose Oriflame?
Oriflame was a great opportunity for me because I've always wanted to work in product development and communications. And traditionally as a dietitian, you work in a really patient-facing role in a clinical setting, and skills such as empathy, good listening and communication are really, really important. And although I'm not in a patient-facing role now, I find that those skills are extremely invaluable in the work I do today when I'm researching ingredients or trying to find the best way to communicate about our products. Understanding the consumer's point of view is a vital aspect of the job, and my role here allows me to blend my passion for nutrition science with creativity in coming up with ways to talk about our products in the best way.
And what's most important is that every ingredient we select has proven benefits. So every ingredient within the Oriflame wellness products are backed by extensive scientific research and draw on the latest insights. What we don't add to our formulations is just as important as what we do.
Absolutely, and for every new ingredient we are looking at including, we would spend countless hours researching the level of evidence behind it, if it actually works. And the bottom line is that if the evidence isn't there, we just don't do it.
And that's why we have the Oriflame Nutrition Council, which forms a really important part within the new product development process. One of the primary functions of the Nutrition Council is that it acts as a sounding board where our leading nutritionists and dietitians discuss, challenge and explore the latest scientific developments behind the ingredients we select.
Welcome to our Wellness Lab. This is where concepts become reality and where we have the freedom to be creative at the start of a development. We carefully mix and match ingredients to find the best combinations for our formulas. The first thing I assess is the nutritional profile of the product. Then we start to look at components such as taste, texture, smell. This is the most challenging part of developing a product. However, it's also the most rewarding when we find out that our customers love the products. Rule of thumb with product development, you have to do things wrong in order to get them right. You learn from your mistakes. One of my favourite developments and one that I'm most proud of is the Wellness by Oriflame meal replacement. I have a large interest in sports nutrition, well-being and weight management, and this encompasses all three. Developing the meal replacement allowed me to combine my expertise in formulation with my interests. Finding the right sources of fibre and protein for satiety was important, while also ensuring that the product was suitable for all diets, including vegans.
I have a master's degree in food science and technology and 25 years experience in the food industry. I was attracted to working with Oriflame by the wide range of quality products they produce and the international aspect of the company. The main focus of my position is to work with our manufacturers to develop and produce quality products for Oriflame. We have two options for manufacturing our products in Oriflame. The first is our internal manufacturing sites that we have in India and China, and the second is a network of third-party manufacturers that we use in Europe and Asia.
Smell, taste, appearance and texture are all really important when it comes to nutritional and wellness products. There's a whole science behind sensory that you might not even be aware of. Our food preferences go beyond just taste and are also influenced by other sensory attributes, such as the aroma, the appearance and the feel. This is what makes creating a wellness product more challenging. For example, if we don't get the taste right, people won't want to use the products. Here in R&D, we have our very own sensory evaluation suite, where we conduct in-house sensory testing to ensure our products have the right appeal for all preferences. By exploring the emotional and sensorial responses to nutritional products, we can add valuable data that will aid both scientific and marketing decisions. This is Andrea, one of our senior formulation scientists for wellness, but today she's going to act as a panelist to help us demonstrate how all this works. Because we sell in countries worldwide, we also collaborate with sensory experts in local regions so that we can ensure our products are accepted globally. This is because we know that preferences vary from region to region.
Part of our product development philosophy is Swedish balanced approach. Our product's performance is so important, as is our responsibility to people and the planet. However, safety is at the forefront of our minds every step of the way. The Oriflame Consumer Safety Team is composed of the microbiology team and the toxicology team, and we work with all functions in research and development and in manufacturing to ensure the delivery of safe products. Food products and food supplements are highly regulated in Europe, and in Oriflame we comply with local and regional food safety requirements to ensure all our wellness products are safe for all our consumers in all our markets. One important aspect of safety is what goes into the product. Within the toxicology team in Oriflame, we consider the ingredients, the formula, and how the product will be used. We only use ingredients that are safe for consumption, and each product undergoes a thorough risk assessment during the product development process. Each risk assessment is carried out by a qualified toxicologist. We follow internationally recognised guidance and standards, including those from the European Food Safety Authority and the World Health Organization, along with local regulations to ensure our products are safe and meet international food safety standards.
The wellness product portfolio is different to cosmetics because the products are consumed for nutritional or physiological effects in our body. For this reason, wellness products must meet certain standards. In Oriflame, we have a dedicated team of regulatory experts to make sure that each product's nutritional composition meets these requirements and to ensure that all information is correct according to the international standards in our 40+ markets.
The product development philosophy has 3 key focus areas. These are performing, safe and responsible. As part of our Swedish balanced approach, what does responsible mean to us? Responsible is about protecting our planet, but also limiting our impact on overall society. We consider consumer health, environmental impact, and also any ethical concerns before choosing our ingredients and our sourcing and our suppliers. Respecting nature is one of our key beliefs. We aim to lower our impact on the planet by sourcing responsibly, never using any endangered materials, and also seeking alternatives to any ingredients that may have an environmental or ethical concern. I work with external partners to achieve certifications such as Halal, Vegan and Friend of the Sea. We continuously drive sustainability initiatives in many of the projects I'm working on. This makes my work both interesting and rewarding. It's great to know that I'm making a difference and contributing to our Swedish balanced approach.
So what does the future look like for wellness? Given that nutrition touches on so many aspects of holistic beauty, the possibilities are almost endless, and that's what makes it so exciting. But at its heart, Wellness by Oriflame is about allowing people to lead healthier and more active lives. And doing this in a connected way is so important. We know that working together as a team in R&D and beyond leads to greater results. We are part of the Oriflame wellness community of passionate individuals. In our case, we just happen to be scientists, working towards a common goal of creating the best possible nutrition products we can, and sharing our knowledge and expertise with the Oriflame community and the wider world.